Okay, you guys, I got home from the store. I've put everything away, and I happened to look over at the incubator, this incubator, and I saw an egg that was hatched. And I'm like, what? Because I haven't taken the dividers out, the roller dividers, and in there was an egg, and it's already hatched. So what I did was I put the baby in here for right now. Look at you, special little early bird. There's an early bird. So what I'm going to do, I'm not even going to check them now. All my goal is to get this divider out so they can move around as they hatch. And look here, we have one peeping right here. Nope, that's not. That's the stuff off the other egg. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm so excited. I'm going to get this out of here so that way they're not confined to those little spots. Some of these eggs are really big, so I'm going to have to move them. Uh-oh. That's the problem with this. Uh-oh. See, I could be screwing them up right now. But I'm so nervous. Oh my goodness. Please don't fall through. Please don't fall through. So I'm going to be really, really gentle. Get these out. And that's the ooey from the other one. This one here is moving. Do you see that one? I don't know if you can see it in there or not. Do you see it moving? This is so cool, you guys. They are hatching so much earlier than I had anticipated. There's another one peeping right here. That could be a peep or liquid. That's liquid. This one here is peeping. Oh yeah, they're hatching. So once we get down to where they're starting to do some stuff, we will do some filming of them. I'm so excited, you guys. I was anticipating this weekend, but just kind of changed my plans today. And so here's the little early bird. Little early bird. I didn't even wipe off my stuff yet because like I was figuring I'd have time to do all of that. I don't know if we can get a better look at it or not. Yeah. So we got early birds and they're all hatching now, today, Wednesday. Early, early, early. I'll see you later, guys. Hugs from a distance.